Hello everyone, I want to show you how to test mail functionality of your application locally without using a remote email server. This is Docker Compose file we built in the previous video, but you can use of course an empty Docker Compose file. The tool we will use is MailHog. Here is how we can define image and port details in Docker Compose file. .1025 is the port we use for sending emails. 8025 is the web UI port. Let's start containers with Docker Compose up command and check if our application is running. Yes, now I can see MailHog container is running. Let's check from web UI as well. Okay, here is how MailHog application looks like. We have an inbox and connect and disconnect button, and we have delete all button. Okay, in order to test mail functionality, we need to add Spring Boot mail dependency and some Spring Boot mail configuration details in application properties file here. Alright, here are email controller and email service classes I prepared earlier. In this controller file, I am introducing two REST API endpoints. One is for simple email sending and one is for sending email with file attachment. I will use this sample file for demo purposes. And in this email service class, I am using Java Mail Sender utility in Spring Framework. Here are implementations of simple mail sending and mail with file attachment examples. After adding dependency definition to pom.xml file, we need to update Maven. And okay, let's start our application. And now from browser, I am requesting simple email sending endpoint, and I can see email is arrived in MailHog. Let's change something in email details. I will populate from value as well. Okay, let's try again. Yes, now we are able to see from value as well in MailHog UI. Let's test email with attachment scenario now. Okay, now I can see file attached in this MIME tab and I can download it here. Yes, this is the file we use in testing. You know our Word is not perfect and you want to test error cases as well. Here you can enable Gem and test error cases. And here how it is simple to test mail functionality locally. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.